We're approaching this in really three themes, key themes, in the first iteration of this platform. The first is looking at DNA repair. We believe that two particular genes, BAP1 and its associated protein BRCA1, and this is a regulated protein, may control DNA repair, homologous repair. And it's in the context of defective homologous repair that we're looking at a PARP inhibitor actually in that study. The second is actually looking at P16. Very common CDKN2A deletion event is seen in mesothelioma. Anything up to 70% of patients have this event. And it's within that context that we're looking at a CDK4/6 inhibition strategy. And then we have two studies actually, both of novel combinations of immunotherapy, one with an AXL inhibitor in combination with a PD-1, the second being a PD-L1 inhibitor in combination with a VEGF, because it's been shown actually that angiogenesis, if that's inhibited, can actually augment and perhaps augment significantly the effects of immunotherapy against PD-L1.